Okay, here's the prep site for where we're gonna put my studio shed. We tore out a bunch of bushes, stumps, all sorts of wonderful things. And see, here's the bedroom here. Right across there and come out about 10 feet. So then this area we can do like a patio type thing. But awful hard to see here. There was a huge rhododendron there we dug out. So, and this is how it, let me get back here and show you if you can see. So they're coming to put it in next week. So I will update it. Here's the next step I have. Nobody tells you when you order one of these sheds that you should have a gravel base put down. They just said level within 6 inches, which it was. So I wasn't able to get my shed put in, and I hired some people who were excellent separately to come in and level this out and put down 4 inches of gravel. So hopefully I can get my shed studio put up soon. Next step. Almost finished. They weren't till they couldn't stand it anymore last night. They're coming back today, put the rest of the roof on and finish up. But it's looking good. I think this is trim here. Gosh, there's more roofing there, but I'm liking it. Here's the inside. It's nice size. There you go. There's the windows. And here. Okay, here it is all put in. We have to paint it and seal it and get the electrical run. And I'm going to replace these doors with glass doors somehow. And here's the innards. Let's see, this is, let's see. Can I get in here? All right. There we go. I got a lot of room. See, we need to insulate. I'm gonna put an outlet there, an outlet there. Couple lights here, I think similar, there's my finger, similar ones. Similar lights, I think, to what I have in the kitchen, just very low profile. Then I figure I can put my, we're either gonna use pegboard or plywood on the walls. and maybe the ceiling. I'm not sure yet. We haven't decided. I think I'm going to put my sewing station, my silhouette, and all my crafty goodness here. Then I'm going to store my bins along here. And then I'm going to put a screen in front of them, and then I can have a sitting area. I have my Nelson rockers and my Saarinen table that I can put in the middle. Thinking of getting a mantis lamp, but I'm not sure yet. Stop. And I think I'm gonna get a piece of vinyl that they have by the roll, the sheet vinyl. You can either lay it or glue it. They have some nice kind of light blonde wood color one for there. And so that's this. I'm gonna move this fugly shed here. Can't move that. I'm gonna move that thing back behind there. Look at this nice gravel. Back behind here. And maybe another storage thing for my yard stuff.